British slang words. Cheeky. Impudent or bold, can also mean something done with a light-hearted or playful attitude. He took a cheeky sip of my drink when I wasn't looking. Gobsmacked. Astounded, amazed. I was gobsmacked when I won the lottery. Banger. A great song or a sausage. That new track is an absolute banger. Kip. Sleep or nap. I'm going to have a quick kip before dinner. Wanker. A foolish or contemptible person, often used as an insult. Don't be such a wanker, just admit you were wrong. Chuffed. Very pleased or happy. I was really chuffed with my exam results. Pint. A beer, typically served in a pub. Let's grab a pint after work. Fit. Attractive or good-looking. Did you see that fit guy at the gym? Dodgy. Suspicious or unreliable. That deal sounds a bit dodgy to me. Biscuit. A sweet-baked treat, often similar to what Americans call cookies. Would you like a biscuit with your tea? Knackered. Extremely tired. I'm absolutely knackered after that run. Sod off. Go away, an impolite way to tell someone to leave. If you don't like it, just sod off. Barmy. Crazy or silly. He has some balmy ideas about how to solve the problem. Miffed. Annoyed or upset. I was a bit miffed when they didn't invite me. Trousers. Pants. I need to buy a new pair of trousers for the wedding. Bloke. A man. He's a nice bloke, you'll get along with him. Nutter. A crazy or eccentric person. That guy's a total nutter, but he's hilarious. Skint. Broke, having no money. I can't go out tonight, I'm skint. Budge up. Move over to make space. Can you budge up a bit? I need to sit down. Pukka. Excellent or genuine. That was a Pukka meal.